Good morning, student. We are done with all the tenses. I know it may have created a little bit confusion regarding all the tenses. So, what we will do this? Let's revise them again with the help of table. In this table, we will have all the main tenses, that is past, present and the future, and all the subtypes in the first column, that is simple, continuous, perfect or perfect continuous. I will give you a word to remember the tenses and the sentence structure that we discussed earlier. So, what you will have to do, just remember this chart and you will remember all the tenses. Okay. Let's start it with the simple present tense. Okay. Simple present tense, it denotes the truth or the regular habit. Okay. The sentence structure is subject plus verb form plus object. Okay, let's come to the simple past tense. It denotes simple past tense. It refers to complete action of the structure. It refers the complete action, and the sentence structure is subject plus verb second form plus object. It is simple, and in the simple future tense, it refers to the future action that will be completed in the future itself. And the sentence structure, it is subject plus will plus verb first form plus object. Okay. Next, come to the present continuous tense. It refers to ongoing activity started. Okay. And the subject structure is subject plus am is am are plus verb ing plus object. Here is am are to be used according to the first person, second person or the third person. We already discussed in the last video. Okay, let's come to the past continuous tenses. We refer to the past complete activity until some another activity began. The sentence structure are subject plus was where plus verb ing plus object. Okay. Next one is future continuous tense. In this tense, we will refer the incomplete activity until some another event occurs. And the subject and the sentence structure is subject plus will have plus verb ing plus object. That much enough for the today. Further we discuss in the next video.